Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Checking out this Night Vision goggles. These are 4K Muse Design Awards Platinum winner. That's pretty cool. Let's check it out, shall we? See in total darkness. Nice presentation here. All right, we got this right on the top. Design Platinum Award. Looks like I have a little nomenclature here. That's nice, kind of breaks down how to use it real quick. Instruction manual here on top. Okay. Nice binocular straps there. Very cool. Open this up here and all right, here they are. Very small. Like the package, it's really protective. You put your little other things in here. Looks like probably a charging cable. Yeah, we have a little microfiber cloth to clean the lenses, and then a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. All right, so here we go. Let's power this thing on, shall we? Okay. Looks like we have a little light here on the front also. Press that for a little flashlight. Strobe. Nice, good sized screen here. This can be adjusted to zoom in or not, actually to focus on different things. I think we're a little closer. Nope. Okay. Yeah, we can focus on that actually. Try to give you guys a picture of that, but it doesn't really look like it wants to do that. I'm just going to go take this out and try it at night. This can record also, record video, take pictures. I think it supports up to 128 gig card there. Let's open this up here. So here we have a little, what is that, little card right there on the side, and also a USB charging port right there. So I like that the battery is self-contained, and if you just want to charge it up, you can just plug it in. We have zoom, memory, okay, different functions here. So pretty excited to go test this out and just see how well this works in the night. Hold this down to turn it off. Power switches through the modes. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to wait for complete darkness. I'm going to go take this out by the beach or something and see how well I can see in like total darkness. We'll give you guys a little view of that. Try out the video. I'll take some videos off of this thing too so we can see how well it is, and maybe a couple snaps, show you how it works. So far, first impression looks pretty impressive. Seems to be well constructed. Easy to grip here. Got this little, where do these connect? Okay, so these just connect right here on the sides. So if you want to put it around your neck, you're able to do that. That's a nice, very nice strap here. It's got like a thick, what is that material? It's a little stretchy, but super comfortable. If you put this around your neck or something, it's going to be, yeah, not annoying at all. And it has on this side kind of like a little silicone like pad too, so it's going to be like non-slip on your shoulder a little bit. Let's go test it out. All right, here is the actual footage from off the camera. I'm going to let you guys hear the audio. The audio is not the best, but you can still kind of hear it. It's at the ocean, so it's got the wave background kind of going on there as well. Here we go. There's my son in the car. It looks kind of creepy there. So first impressions with it, it's definitely, it's kind of like a binoculars basically. You can't see like really close, so things that are kind of far away. The truck right there is probably 20 yards away or so. So you can zoom in decently. It's going into the 8x zoom there, and then you can zoom out. Just hold down the button so plus or minus. It's really nice. And then you can adjust at the end of the lens on the left-hand side, just adjust to focus in how you want. So way over there are cars. Yeah, they're quite a ways away, maybe a half mile. On the kind of a little bit off the road here, I didn't want to walk anywhere because I couldn't really see. When you're using this, it has the screen's kind of bright, and so you can adjust like how far out the infrared signal goes on there. But there we are on the beach. The water probably about 300 yards away there from where I'm standing. So pretty good distance. If there was anything out there, like it's almost pitch black outside. I literally had to turn on the little flashlight. Good thing this thing has a flashlight on it so you can see where you're going, because it was a little creepy out there, standing out there in the middle of the dark. And yeah, but you can see right here, there's the waves and the shoreline and everything like that. So all in all, you can see quite well. I mean, like I said, this is pitch black outside, and I could see everything pretty easily. Nice, decent quality. Yeah, so if there's like, maybe you're like using this to see spot game or something, if you're out in the woods, that's pretty cool. Anyways, my friends, here's a couple snap photos I took also of this. Let's see here. So those are the 4K videos, and you can adjust it too. Here's just photos here of the different areas. Not pretty decent quality there. So that's quite a ways away. You got to hold it real still when you take the picture. If you take it, if you're used to taking night photos, any little movement can kind of blur up your photo a little bit. So you have to hold it pretty still. But some decent pictures of here. This is the beach, and there's the ocean out in the distance there. A couple final thoughts here. So I like how this, you can hold this. All the buttons are right here. They're really easy to find, to zoom in, zoom out. They're pretty laid out nicely. To adjust, just simply turn that and you focus really good. All in all, the screen's excuse me, a little bright. So if you are standing out in the darkness and you're looking at the screen, then you try to look anywhere else, you can't see anything. So it's nice that it has this little flashlight on there so you can help you find your way. Yeah, very convenient. Just put this little strap on there too, just fed them on there, walk around like that. Super lightweight, easy to use, pretty sweet little set of night vision here, my friends. Sound quality is not the greatest, but yeah, pretty good videos there for pitch black. I'm pretty impressed. Thanks for watching this review, friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.